Hey, what's up, guys? It's Charnchai here, and Madison and I are going to show you two examples of Objective 3 compositional functions and two examples of Objective 2 inverse functions and how to correctly solve them. Using the following functions, a of x equals 3, b of x equals 2x minus 5, and c of x equals x squared minus 2x plus 2. In question 1, it wants us to plug in the whole equation of c as x and b of x. So it would look like 2 in parentheses x squared minus 2x plus 2 and end of parentheses minus 5. As you can see on the screen, we are going to use the distributive property. Now the equation will look like 2x squared minus 4x plus 4 minus 5. Knowing that we are going to combine like terms and simplify them. So, simplifying 2x squared will be 4x. So, 4x minus 4x cancels, and now you just have positive 4 minus 5, which equals negative 1. Therefore, we will plug in negative 1 for x and a of x. So, 3 times negative 1 gives you negative 3, and there's your answer. Question 2 is asking us, b of a if x is 2. So, we look into our a example and plug in 2 for x. So, 2 times 3, which gives you 6. Now that we have found the equation of a, we will plug all of that in, which is 6, for x in the b equation. Now it will look like 2 in parentheses 6 minus 5. Simply use PEMDAS for this equation. So 2 times 6, which equals 12, minus 5 equals 7. Objective 2, inverse functions. Finding the inverse. If f of x equals negative 2x plus 6, how do we solve it? First, you must plug in y for f of x, giving you y equals negative 2x plus 6. Step 2, you will flip x and y. X equals negative 2y plus 6. Get y by itself. Subtract the 6 from both sides, leaving negative 2y by itself. Now, you want to cancel out to just have y. So, you must divide negative 2 to each side. Y equals x minus 6 divided by 2. And there's your answer. Question number 2. Is the given f of x the inverse of g of x? If you have f of x equals 2x plus 8 and g of x, which equals x minus 8 divided by 2. So you want to solve for f of x. So plug in y for f of x, which equals 2x plus 8. Then flip x and y. After that, you will get the equation x equals 2y plus 8. You want to get 2y by itself. In order to do that, you must subtract 8 by both sides, giving negative 8 plus x equals 2y. So, what do we do now? We must get y by itself. So, divide by 2 on both sides. So now you have successfully isolated y, which equals x minus 8 divided by 2. Now you compare the two, realizing that the two are identical to one another. So, there you have it, folks. Your answer is yes.